Hi everyone, my name's Rob. I'm the sales manager here at AUV Porsche and Prestige. I'm very excited to show you today this stunning Porsche 911 991 Generation 2 GTS. It's a manual cabriolet and it's set in special order Mexico blue. This model is the new 3-litre flat 6 twin turbo. It's 450 brake horsepower, 0 to 60 in 4.2 seconds and has a top speed of 192 miles per hour. There's some really lovely features on this car. One of my personal favourites is this lovely Mexico blue special paint. It really stands out in the flesh and I hope that the camera's doing it justice for you. The car is in superb condition. It's been treated and protected both inside and out with G-Technics composite ceramic coating. The whole front end of the car has also been protected with the PPF paint protection film. The alloy wheels on the car are the 20-inch Turbo Sport 3s. They're finished in matte black and have the centre lock cap with the Porsche Crest and the big red brake calipers with the Porsche lettering. At the front of the car you'll see the car has the LED main headlights with PDLS, the Porsche dynamic lighting system. They've got the dark tinted rim and the gloss black heated washer jets. The nose of the car, you'll see the big open air intake vents there. A black spoiler lip at the bottom, front and rear parking assist with reversing camera. As you would expect, the car is in absolutely fantastic condition and is stone and chip free. Let me show you how fast and smooth the roof functions. It's fully electric and can be opened remotely by the key. You might find this particularly useful if you're indoors and it starts to rain. You can quickly get it closed without the need of going into the car. Now let's take a look at the back of the car. You'll see it has the reverse parking sensors, as I mentioned before, with a reversing camera. Also has the twin tailpipes finished in black. It means the car has the sports exhaust system. The car has the black Porsche lettering there, the model description. And the black vertical air intake grills with the high gloss black strip and the LED high level brake light. So let's take a look inside the car. You'll see that the doors are finished in Alcantara with a chrome trim and a chrome door handle. The car also has the upgraded BOSE surround sound system. As you climb into the car, you'll see the brushed aluminium door entry guard with the Carrera GTS logo. The seats are the 4-way electric heated sport seats. They're hard backed and finished in Alcantara with a nice leather trim. A comfortable yet very sporty driving experience. The steering wheel on the car is the GT Sports wheel, again finished in Alcantara. The Alcantara continues through the car to the centre armrest, which is embossed with the Porsche lettering. There are the function buttons for the roof and the sports exhaust, the Alcantara gaiter and the chrome sport shift stick. You may know that Sports Chrono is standard on the GTS and this car has the black stopwatch dials. The PCM now has a large high definition touchscreen. You have DAB digital radio and BOSE sound system with Apple CarPlay. You can store your favourite music on the jukebox player and you can easily navigate the car's settings and data through the onboard computer. You can of course connect your phone via Bluetooth and stream live music from your devices. The sat-nav system on the car is fantastic, it's easy to use and the map's crystal clear and easy to follow. And there on this lovely Alcantara GT steering wheel is your Sports Chrono selector. And there you see the car's covered 3,757 miles. So let's take one last look around the car. It is in absolutely fantastic condition. I hope the videos help you to get an idea of how lovely it really is. I will include the factory's build sheet in the video description so you can see everything that's on this amazing car. If you have any questions then please don't hesitate to contact me here in the showroom, and please check out our retail website approvedusedvehicles.co.uk to see all of the fantastic sports cars that we have on sale today. We also have live chat support on our website, and there's an accurate finance calculator for PCP and HP quotations. You can even submit your application there as well. We're pleased to be working with WarrantyWise, one of the UK's leading warranty specialists. And if you'd like to be the first to see our new stock as it arrives, then please hit the subscribe button. You can also follow us on all social media. So again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you all again soon.